I have it, Nathan. I have it all. I'm filming. Whoa, Nathan. That's still ongoing. The guy's having it on his terrace. Why do you do firework on your terrace? Why do you do that? That's an epic fail from that guy.